So sometimes we get wild horses that come to roam around the range, and we've got two here. We had a colt earlier today, but they're used to the dogs chasing them all around, so we'll see if they let me get a little closer. Here. Hey there! What you guys doing? Hanging out? Want some water? I scoop up their poop and put it on the garden. Me and my Ava, we're going to take all the grain we bought yesterday, chicken feed, scratch and all that, and put it all away. Usually takes about a half hour. Here we go. Scratch first.
Yeah?
I'm not sure. It'll say
Rabbit feed.
Hello. You are really cute. Yes, you're very cute. I think I'm a glutton for punishment. We seem to be becoming known for, oh, you're moving, your animals need a new home, okay, TY will take them. So we have 3 new geese. I'll show them to you. And Ava adores them, of course, and they're getting along great with everybody. And so there's the 6 geese, and the 3 on the right are our older geese that came from a neighbor. And then we got 3 new ones here who are hanging together. Ava named the first one Gus, and the second 2 I'm not sure, but they sure are cute. And they, the last 2 are girls. The first one, Gus, is a boy, obviously. And hi, Goosetta. Yes, I know you want some film time. I'm sorry. You want some film time. I'm sorry. Goodness. Hello. I see. Over here again. So these 2 apparently have laid and made goslings with that male. So we're hoping that they do that. I'm gonna get a house over here, like an igloo, and put some hay in it, so they might feel more like cozy to lay here in their pen. Anyway, those are our 3 new geese. We love them. I made you 2 little houses over there. Do you like them? Goosetta, do you like those houses? You're not sure. Okay, well, there you go. Lay some eggs, please.
Who's who? Who is who? We have Goosetta, and then we have Gus. Goosetta has a new best friend, doesn't she? Hello.
I hope they lay some eggs. They haven't been laying in a while. All right, see you later. Happy homesteading.